There's something about a quiet river that instantly slows your mind. The water moves gently, almost like it's reminding you to breathe, to pause, and to let go. Standing here, you can feel the peace in the air, cool, calming, and exactly what your soul needs after a long, exhausting day. This is the kind of place you escape to when the noise of the world becomes too much. No stress, no rushing, no pressure. Just the sound of flowing water and that calm feeling washing over you. It's a reset button for your mind, your body, and your spirit. And the best part? You can still have fun while finding your peace. So tell me, do you know where this beautiful spot is? Drop your thoughts and guesses in the comments section below.